was the Spanish is here as well.
They say more playoff for some.
Okay.
They have qualified for the playoff. Playoff on your boy we are no cry no. To do. Africa no your boy and we now will be winning. No akwa boy intercontinental there no. I so it man for akwa qualify akwa. Okay. Now you're in 9 teams are qualified for the World Cup. Half
African teams.
Yes. African teams. So I hope you see a bit my but no for Nigeria so.
Yeah.
No for Nigeria so.
And then the near na attend ya my mum ye will be calculation. By this time. What you say? You be say. No way to
no draw.
Can you imagine?
Ghana bet me really one.
Yeah, radio that's you so here calculation we move.
Egypt, Ghana, Algeria, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Tunisia, Morocco, Senegal, and Cape Verde. First time ever. I'm qualified for the World Cup.
And almost when you are Japan.
Hey, go ahead, Krum.
Hey, now World Cup would you qualify?
Oh yes, it's the highest stage of world football. So we do what yeah. Now what Juma party. Who please say about Bojuma? Bojuma next year. And I call. They might be brave, basically from now till next year. Changes be brave.
I month bear.
I hope and you say they be called the latter part of the year.
Okay.
USA, Mexico, Canada.
Well.
But that's it. Na kwambia soro matwaso live on Adom TV. So na shase gugwa no paint baby I will be asking won kan dia. Hwe ho so yi. Nya se be du awia ye be kan news na de na musa. And I start gugu is say I start yiri. Nkran for you. Ya da se wakan ho. You better also on some more, and of course, and paying so your bassa Padibuche, Pablo Ama, or maybe producers, Kidwan and Cassani, Erica Sidu, the American team at the amount Dadano, Egypt, Ghana, Algeria, South Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Tunisia, Morocco, and of course, Senegal and Cape Verde. Until now, it is confirmed. Now, Nigeria, the 4 countries are second best placed teams. Yes, Nigeria can, but the fixtures are here. The MSN fixtures no see it so in November. And Nigeria versus Gabon, then Cameroon versus DR Congo. More about na wabe winning the mark na mu no akobo final. Who winning we akofa intercontinental on other continents for so more kobo playoff na akobo ahwese ansana. Kai. Jumanedi. Tina yen qualifications say fanasa e fan trasa e den pan yetimi qualify dia kono ha. Okon nana mu ide da be na beba quentin say boy. And this is it, and of course Gabon, DR Congo, Cameroon, Nigeria, Burkina Faso in this particular group, and we muna kwakwa kwambia so mid mabo playoff no Burkina Faso missing out by just goal difference. I think 1 goal on Nigeria, because share 13 and you share 17. Nigeria share 13, you share 6. And Etiano, like I said, the 15 points. The winning hour there, but Nigeria and Cameroon will qualify into the playoff into way. And the Koso World Cup qualifiers. My dear Benra, Europe for the Omodian share so. Europe for the Bomodia, Nyasam Ketua, and England, extra Bobra against Latvia, or Latvia, my Latvia need a hawk crepa and Nyasam Ketua, and other matches are hold Baba so no better. Get on some swabro and there, I don't pay and no some more Samsung Ghana and some more you league on some Bibrina and I walk on. I am sure you will for World Cup qualifiers results and Rano, Nafi and Queen in Portugal, Yapon, Ronaldo Bonnet 2 goals a year, uniform, so was like pa wateka. 2-2 I say bibia and then so Portugal's all feed here na nim se be fanti na hye nkrata mu nkrata ni nyina wo wa dwiri ni nyina agu hey Portugal Moldova and Estonia but 1-1 and Israel I just share no against Italy so winning the matches na Gennaro Gattuso yes we winning the match no Andorra and so Serbia I just share no 3 and Latvia I just share no num against England, and so Spain about Bulgaria by 4-0. Still Spain unbeaten record. Neguso Koso another pa Turkey about Georgia by 4-1, and this is Ronaldo's Portugal 2-2. Republic of Ireland by Armenia by a goal to nil. Yama African matches of course when they can't show qualified, but this is how games this year in Africa. Algeria we need it. I qualified there about one for Uganda, one channel, Guinea, and Botswana, we pass Norway, more bonus. Somalia, and so was a big channel on the back home. to win the course in Group G. Let's share the other groups. Morocco winning 1-0 over Congo. Seychelles, Gambia, born in soon. Burundi, just shared home, Ivory Coast, bought Kenya. But and Ivory Coast, unbeaten. Shagos, Chambia, Bob Papa, immense fire now. You saw me actually no idea team in the Yenisano. Chua no more. Congo DR, Kwesiapia. Congo Chin, Kwesiapia Bonabako. Want to me and Senegal, Bogu, Mauritania 4-0, Nigeria winning 4-0, and I'm on the team qualified for South Africa. Wow, South Africa, and so I dear pa, me body in some in South Africa, also through South Africa, Bray, papa, yet 10 points still. What me from Abyssinia qualify at the court. So far, all-time top scorers in the World Cup qualifiers in 51 matches. About World Cup qualifiers, Ronaldo about 41 goals. Carlos Ruiz was 39 goals. Messi about 36 goals. And Lewandowski was 32 goals. Now the longest winning streak in national team history, 16 consecutive matches. Morocco national team, Egusu Jinemu, 15. Spain national team, no. It's Morocco for one beating. Mo kosa so. Intimi no. It's another day course. There was some and so Brewara. The President of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or second Biaso Nano 2014. Abrana or no buying a wabamu and I'm going to say Kuku and Brazil. The BCB, Sanepa repeat, that be young Shema BCB, Bayan Yeman out of Tianche, I could see a Wenimo or be mine so America and Canada. Mexico, the Macacho was one shout, America and Canada. Yes, President in
It dented Ghana's reputation. I think that it is a practice that had, occurred over time, and there was suspicion between the players and the GFA, and between the GFA and the players and government, because the players always had the thinking that, either somebody was going to divert funding that was due them and all that. I think that we've learned those lessons. We've come, up. I think in that particular instance, the players refused to train. They refused to go to the pitch if they didn't see their money in fiscal cash, And so, in an attempt not to let them feel discouraged and not play or something like that, some decisions were taken. But all that is behind us now. Yes. We've encouraged the GFA to ensure that we're able to process the payments that are due to the players.
Well, and so I don't know some President John Dramani Mahama or there to somewhere, but to be Biakra and Sunny at the World Cup and I say bonus of Sikas at the moment and the moment I be Biaswat to me. Ako a year. Now, young Queen, now for the President of the Ghana Football Association, Racket, yes, or Krekuad, Boy or the Ministry of Education and the Minister, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, a catching in Akodin Komor Shen, Quaya, GFN Ministry, never come now much me develop football in schools. I hold more. President then some to Ghana watch more. I say, well, initiatives be bra or the better abandon anymore. No more shabwa. They are not the talents or in various schools anymore.
Here, primarily to talk about boys football. Female football is very high on my agenda. Since I took office in 2019, I made a big commitment to offer a lot more opportunities to women. At the last Congress of the Football Association, we created one political opening for women. A woman will be the vice president of the FA going to the next elections. We've offered a good number of opportunities to women in the governance infrastructure of the Football Association. And now 90% of the black women players play abroad. What does that tell you? Opportunities and visibility offered by the FA is offering them hope, giving them livelihood, and giving them the chance to realize their dreams. So we are very happy to be here. I think that we'll work together and make sure that we all follow the agenda of the president of our country, who set out to reset all facets of the Ghanaian of our country, including football. And I think that the recent happenings, his personal commitment, his personal visitation to the team, is clearly having a manifestation on the football ecosystem. The GPL, I have said, is the best so far. The Black Stars are back in the Mundial where we belong to. And a lot more can be said. Close football is being played. I remember when I took office in 2019 in the Volta region, especially, coach football was being played in the Holy Hall. Today we have 22 districts in that region playing coach football. That's a testament of the investment we are doing into.
Right, President of the Ghana Football Association, Raketo Kreku Seven Nabra Pay courtesy call about the sports and our education ministry. Now I can say we young Asante Kotoko this weekend. Kotoko Jina Kono against WAC of Morocco at Accra Sports Stadium. Yes. And yes, small matches are the CAF Confederation Cup. Now Kotoko Befa Nasem Family Crab Yana Betre, but also Abo Remo National Chief Imam Akacha Kwaje Empire Kakra. Since Empire who be here, Abednego men send this answer me.
Kumanse Krobia Asante Kotoko Egusu Eses Yomo Sane Baya Kwesieda Ebe Omechi Morocco Boboko from WAC and your mo Asia Kain Ewo Accra Sports Stadium. We a CAF Confederation Cup no prelims no second round eno and Ebekoswo Timuno Ekwashe Eastern Region Dewa no mo eye ahusisi Kotoko ekopie mu ewo Fadama Endra wa bra mu kwaje empai boy mu team Free National Chief Imam Ho His Eminence Dr. Sharbutuha na utumi seni jenu ewo suye pa Amin 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 ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا آمين آمين استرنا ولا تبلا اللهم آمين آسرنا ولا تسرع آمين وقبلنا ولا تبلا آمين 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 اللهم أنت أمكنا بالوحيد وأتنا بالجواب Leader of delegation Mr. Asenso Boache decrease enunti koroko players no technical team and management members ekopie mu ho sisi ade omani abre butu se kosiare de fabulous ewa Accra Sports Stadium.
Wow, no ne de so abramo pay a courtesy call on Chief Imam. Now sharing so Franco Trading Enterprise can ho phone papa fie near Franco Sanso na plans papa no ye Franco eti sharing so mame Franco Trading Enterprise. Original ni eka onye say well pe John phone bia ko use na 2 months time was out of for the other na mo nchenchen but original one Franco Trading Enterprise appliance na e pacho na eze power na ebubu na ni to papa preko Franco niema na ya papa eze ebu na ni ba kwa na hye na eja tom da Franco de na papa nti opa plans bia to fit TV fridge no bobo na Franco Trading Enterprise now ya kan sa no yan kopie mu the Ghana Football Association brem the MTN Elite 19 Championship refe and MTN for akabuma launch na shirata nya sam ketwe mu nkyeremu ni
Asoya ehwebo oboso ewo man Ghana mu ani abrepa ehwekwan se epani mbabunu entity ya ometumi ahyemu kina se na beye nei ye national teams ahodo no ye benya players so mo hoi efiri ho a ometumi ebehye omo anan eno nti Ghana Football Association ene MTN adwumakuo na kan bomu a omode Elite U19 Championship ebahyehyɛ so October busu ne de to so donumiansa ene ebekoso ewo prampram eno nti sabrede regions ahodo ni na no obia ediri team epa This
is a product of the FA which is so dear to my heart because this age category is key in the development of football in our country. The U19 is a key part of our broad policy giving power to the youth and ensuring that we put out products and create platforms that will allow the youth of our country, boys and girls, to realize their dreams. But we've also given energy and introduced U15 boys and girls U17 boys and girls. Now we have U19 boys. The whole idea, obviously, is to create the needed platform, opportunity for our youth, not only to be identified, but to be offered a chance to develop their talents.
Reggie Payne and MTN Elite U19 Championship edikan obaje.
Well, Eastern region and asa Greater Accra and asa hen edge Brennan Crabia and Becher. So you be the and watch it now day and want some and so abro. Now and yeah, Kotoko Penny Jina Kono this weekend. There's Division 1 League so honey at the end. And so the BP no ya the bebro. Nanka Aqua United game near Sunday against Interlice. Now Aqua move by Saturday our Carrion of Park. That was the Kotoko game. And so now Saturday Carrion of Park 3 p.m. Yeah, Aqua United versus Interlice. Chances FM Mame. Busia, Bejina son of Penny, the see Franco Trading Enterprise from Papa Fee on the 1st of November. So, yeah, you share color party, Ola ba wo. Ola ba wo. Pariwoche, me producer Pablo Aima. So, can we beba at the from WYDAD bro. Ya no kind of Nankasaka cage one way. Eric, I see you do di. Baby Smack needs to Ophelia. Twaso.